welcome back. So today I actually decided for you guys to come with me and we shall make some pizza. So this pizza is actually from a shop what is called Lidl, which I don't really like at home, but here in Crete it's actually pretty good because it's the only place that actually have stuff. Here's the stuff. Close here before my camera falls off. And we have them here. So it's a pre-made calzone, basically. Seems really good. So we're gonna test them out and see how it actually looks in real life. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna put it here on a few minutes, otherwise it's not starting. And then I actually just bump it up to like 220 as well. And that is how we're gonna get the perfect ratio actually. Then we're just gonna pop it straight in here in the hot oven. Look at those beauties. Now we just put them in here. There we go. And then find a nice position there.
That's what she said.
There we go. Boom. And now we wait 20 minutes. While we're waiting, I'm actually gonna refill my glass. It does need a little bit of refill, so a little bit. Just a small little refill. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, while we're waiting, I just want to tell you about my day. So the day today was actually pretty good. I'm trying out being mainline, as it's called here. And mainline is basically you're taking care of a few different hotels, for example. So you're not in a concept where I'm usually, where I'm taking care of like one hotel all day and things like that. Here I'm actually doing something else. I'm having service in these hotels, which was really nice. It was a really good reception in both of the hotels. It was pretty chill. The food in the first hotel was really good. It was just a 2-star hotel, but it was really good food. And that is something I really appreciated, of course. And they gave me actually a coffee as well. So that was a big bonus. And the other one was just super fun to talk with the guy in reception. He was like really fun to talk to all day, so the time went super fast because I literally had no one visiting me except just before I was gonna leave, as usual. So that was pretty cool. I haven't figured out yet what I'm gonna do with this really big bowl here. I am thinking about making like a terrarium inside. I like to do some cool small little projects around the house, so at least I keep busy even more than I already am. Yeah, classic me, always new ideas. So I'm gonna have some new plants in here, plant them here and just water it sometimes, and it's gonna grow by itself. It's really cool. It builds like its own ecosystem. I know I have many random ideas all the time, but that's me. The brain of ADHD just keeps on knocking. Now we're just gonna wait until the food is done. Yeah. I'll skip forward for you. Okay, so moment of truth. Down. Do you see anything? I don't. I see. Oh, look at those babies. Nice. All right, so we're just gonna take them out. I don't have anything to take them out with, so I use like literally a rug, and this is gonna hurt if I mess up, you know? Let me see. There we go. Grab them by the bones. Yeah. Ow. My finger. So now we have the pizzas ready. Oh, that is glory. And I'll just pack them on a plate and we'll see how they actually taste as well. That is the most important question of these pizza reviews. Let me see what we have. I don't actually have anything. This works fine. So, oh wow, they're actually stuck. Uh-oh. There we go. Beautiful. That one's easier. Uh-oh. They're on the wrong way. Well, that's fine. There we go. Stuck. Perfection. Oh, look at that. Huh? Are we even in focus for this? So already a little disappointment. The cheese is not running out how I expected. So, but I'm gonna take a quick little bite and see how does this actually taste. Well, Lidl, I'm sorry to say it, you're still disappointing. It doesn't really taste so much, and I don't know, the breading wasn't really my cup of tea really either. So sorry to say it, but I have to find something new. I do have something that I actually really like. I'll show you. These here mini pizzas, they were like so incredibly good. And they were also from Lidl. These are like extremely good, so easy to make, like 5-10 minutes in the oven, bam, you're set. They were so nice. Totally recommending. Otherwise, thank you extremely much for watching this video, and I will enjoy my pizza and enjoy my evening with some YouTube. See you guys. It's alright.